If you're experiencing flickering in your photos while using a Sony Alpha camera, such as the A7, A7 II, A7 III, A7 IV, or A7 V, it is likely due to artificial lighting, like fluorescent or LED lights. These light sources can cause uneven brightness or color shifts due to their rapid flickering. This guide will help you resolve the issue by optimizing your camera settings. Step 1. Enable anti-flicker shooting. Turn on your Sony Alpha camera and press the menu button. Navigate the camera settings called Face Detection / Shoot Assist menu. Find and select Anti-Flicker Shoot. Set it to On. This will automatically detect flickering light and adjust the camera's timing to minimize banding in your photos and videos. Step 2. Use PAL or NTSC modes. Press the menu option. Go to Setup 2. Find NTSC / PAL selector. Choose PAL for regions using 50 Hz lighting or NTSC for regions using 60 Hz lighting. Restart the camera to apply the changes. Step 3. Adjust shutter speed for picture. Switch your camera to manual exposure A mode first. Set the shutter speed to match the frequency of the light source. For 50 Hz lights used in Europe and parts of Asia, use a shutter speed of 1/55, 1/100, or 1/200 by using this real dial switcher. For 60 Hz lights used in North America, use a shutter speed of 1/60, 1/120, or 1/240. Keep using the back dial and real dial switcher to adjust your lighting to solve shutter speed before taking pictures on Sony camera. Test the shutter speed until banding or flicker disappears. By following these steps, you can effectively eliminate flickering in your photos taken with Sony Alpha cameras. Let me know if this guide helped you out or if you need further assistance.